Hey everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout. If you want to learn 10 amazing mini trampoline exercises, I recommend you stay tuned to watch the video. So this is the most basic trampoline exercise. This is called regular bouncing. So you're going to push down on your feet, on your toes, okay? You're not going to jump flat, you're going to push down. See how I'm pushing down? This is called the bouncing, this normal bouncing. So the next exercise is going to be the clapping jumping jacks. Keep your arms up like this. You're going to jump and close. Jump and close. Jump. The next exercise is going to be the side-to-side bunny hop. So you're going to go to one side and you go hop, 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 hop. Next exercise is going to be the ski man. Next exercise is going to be high knees. So you're going to put your arms in front of you. You're going to lift your knees up as high as you can, trying to tap your arms, okay? So let's go. Make sure high as you can. You can bring them low. So the next exercise is going to be the leg cross, and this is good for the pelvic floor, building your pelvic muscles, making them stronger. So what it's going to be is, it's going to be right leg over left leg over right leg. See? All right. So the next exercise is going to be jump rope. You're going to swing your hands around in circular motion like you're jumping rope. Imagine you're jumping rope right now, okay? There you go. All right, the next one on the list is jogging in place. So please like jogging in place. Now this is a very good exercise with people who have bad knees or bad legs because this is a low pack run. You're just jogging in place. Jogging in place. The next one, exercise is going to be the jumping jacks. There you go, nice and simple. Last exercise on this list is going to be toe to heel. So I hope you guys like this video of 10 amazing simple trampoline exercises for mini trampolines. And if you could like and subscribe, you will help me feed both of my cats. So please like and subscribe.